Well, hi tutors. Hi tutors. I just wanted to quickly go over something new that's in the ARC that we will need your full support and cooperation with. That might require you just to be a bit more on when you're not working with a student already one-on-one. So one of the things that I wanted to let you know is that beginning really today, we have these set of tables sort of over by the testing center where some students might be assigned to the ARC. And so essentially these are just students that we've asked to be there so that they have really direct access to you and also direct access to their teachers, or at least math and science teachers. And so a couple of things. We're going to ask that those students sit there, that they bring work, that they're mostly like, have their phones off, and that they're at least not on them all period, and that they're willing to engage with the work or with another person. And so what my expectation, what Ms. Schwartz' expectation is for you all is that we are really living our We Care values with these students. And these students run the gamut. They're students that are successful in class, maybe not successful in class. They run the gamut. And so make no assumptions about students who are at these reserve tables other than you are there to live those We Care values, especially the welcoming and the encouraging parts. So if a student is there, Ms. Schwartz will usually give you a heads up, but I want you to always scan and take a look those first couple minutes of the period. If someone is there, or 3 or 4 students are there, I want you to swing over. I want you to introduce yourself to each student, and I want you to ask each student, hey, what are you working on today? Is there anything I can help you with today? I'm really great at history and math, or I'm really great at math and science, and see what they come back with. And then again, please make sure that they know that at any point, if they don't need help right away, that you're available for help, or that you can connect them with help. If you do end up sitting there and kind of moving around those tables to help them, whether it's one person or 4 students, of course you should fill out the summary form. And then even at the end of the period, let's say you don't help those students, I want you to go back over and say, hey, what did you work on today? How did things go? Do you need any help with anything else? Will you be, do you need any help when you get here tomorrow, so I can let Ms. Schwartz know and give that tutor a heads up? Otherwise, I'll see you next week when I'm back. Again, my name's Andrew. Thanks for being here. So you are living, especially the welcoming and encouraging piece, doing a quick touch base at the beginning and end of the period, only if you're not actually, tutoring them during the period. Certainly, if you sit down and like 2 students randomly show up, that's your priority for the moment to your tutoring table, but you're always scanning to where the reserve tables are. And for a variety of reasons, we may have students who are at our reserve tables. By no means should you be talking about those students when you leave. Again, what happens in the ARC stays in the ARC, the confidentiality piece, who those students might be that are at those reserve tables, and again, who you're tutoring with is confidential. Our tutoring sessions are really picking up, and we are really, really grateful for just the extraordinary work that you all are doing with students. It's pretty incredible every year to see, and I feel like right now this is the best it's ever been in terms of your care, your intentionality, the time and commitment that each of you are making, the amount of sessions and just boots on the ground and feet that are making their way through the ARC. Students vote with their feet essentially, and what we're seeing is just a continued uptick in both tutoring, but also just a place that is great to study. And so that all is thanks to you and our leadership group, and I just want to thank each of you for this. If you have questions, you can of course reach out to me or Mrs. Schwartz anytime. But again, our expectation is that you are especially checking in with these students, introducing yourself, seeing what they need, prompting them about what they're going to work on, and then closing that loop if you don't work with them at the end of the period. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have a great weekend. Or if you don't watch this until Monday, I hope you had a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.